Good morning. So today I go for a walk here in Nagcarlan, Laguna. And I am already catching my breath. So I've been walking for around 2 kilometers already. I think I forgot to wear my smartwatch. I have never been in this area of Nagcarlan. So I don't know where this road leads to. Maybe I should stick to the areas where I am familiar with. Well, you know, I could discover something. Oh, wow. So my target for today is to walk for around 7 kilometers. But this particular route that I am taking is just around 6.4 kilometers. So I research for a loop that I can walk to that can lead me to where I started earlier, which is our house. And I find that going to Barangay Sinipian here in Nagcarlan, then going to Barangay Oples, then go back to Silangang Ilaya, it's roughly around 6.4 kilometers. So that's enough. That's enough. 7 kilometers is my sweet spot based on my current body condition. 5 kilometers is not enough, but 10 kilometers is a little bit too much. So 7 kilometers is my sweet spot, but 6.4 is enough. I came across a couple that is taking their breakfast in their balcony and they greeted me. Such a lovely couple. Very friendly. They offered me their breakfast, coffee and bread. Well, I refused because I'm currently having my walk. I'm taking my turn now. The sun shines so bright. This is a good walk today. There are no vehicles that are passing this road. Also, it is very quiet in here. For the record, I am the only one that is noisy because I am the one that is talking. I feel like I am halfway to my destination. Well, obviously, I'm halfway of my walk trip today. And it feels like I wanted more, but there are but there are other things that I need to do today. I have to finish this walk trip today, so I will find another time to at least enjoy a day of walking. That ends my video for today, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.